Hi folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to create professional email addresses for your store. When I say professional email address, that means your email address should be linked to your domain. For example, the domain name which I have registered is Shams Fashion. So email addresses should be like sales@Shams Fashion, support@Shams Fashion, something like this. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create professional email addresses without any cost. So let's start. So go to Google and search Zoho email, and Google will bring the search results like this. So click the pricing link and you will land to this page. On this page, Zoho is showing all the paid plans which they offer. Scroll down and you will see a free plan button here. Click Get Started button. In the next step, Zoho will ask you about your domain name. So I registered my domain name in the previous video as Shams Fashion. So I'm going to enter here my domain name. So you should enter your domain name here, whatever you have registered with Shopify or with some other domain provider. Click Add button. You will come to the registration details page. Enter all your detail here and remember to enter the right mobile phone number here, because Zoho will be sending you a verification code on your mobile phone. After entering all the information, click Sign Up button. Zoho will process your request and send you a verification code on your phone number. So enter the verification code here and click Verify My Mobile button. After successful verification, Zoho will redirect you on this Zoho Workplace screen. And in this step, Zoho will verify the ownership of the domain you entered on the last step. So from the drop down list here, you have to select your domain name provider. So you can see many common domain name providers here. I cannot see Shopify here, so I click Others, and Zoho will provide me CNAME information and its value. So now I'm going to show you how to configure this value on Shopify. So from the Shopify dashboard, click Online Store, click Domains, and on the domain screen, click the Use Third-Party Hosting Services link. Select Zoho Mail and enter the CNAME value which Zoho has provided us in the Zoho code box and press Save. Now Shopify has replaced the previous email addresses with Zoho as a hosting email provider. So now this step is complete. So come back to Zoho setup page and click the Proceed to CNAME verification. Remember, if it doesn't verify and gives you an error, wait for a couple of minutes and then click again the CNAME verification button. At Shopify servers, it takes a couple of minutes to propagate the changes. So now our domain has been verified. Now I'm going to create one admin account for my Zoho business portal. Then I will create further email accounts. So now I'm going to create more email accounts. First email account I want to create on Zoho is sales. So I entered all the information on the sales, its user ID and password, and click OK to create a new account for me. After creating my email accounts, I click back to setup button. For right now, I'm skipping the group option, creating group option, and moving to the next step. So on configure email delivery step, Shopify has already configured our CNAME and pointed rightly to the Zoho servers. So it's saying we do not need to do anything. So I'm moving to next step now. And then the next step is a sender policy framework, which I'm going to skip at this stage. And I click skip. And the next step is the migration. I do not have email on any other server for this domain. So I'm clicking skip. So next step is mobile access. Right now at this stage, I do not want to configure Zoho Mail on my mobile, so I'm skipping this step also. So after completing this step, Zoho will show me all the applications which are available with my Zoho accounts. So I'm clicking on email and it will jump to the email application. So I have signed out from the admin account and now I'm going to log in with my sales account so I can test that my emails, incoming and outgoing email from the sales account is working fine. So let's log in and test it. So I create a new email and for my other email address. So I entered all the information and click send button. I'm going to open my other email and going to see if I have received the email properly. So now you can see that I have received that email properly without any issue. So guys, I showed you how to configure a business and professional email for your domain name without any cost. Now you can see this video again and create a professional email for your domain. So this lecture ends here and see you in the next video. Bye.